Today we are going to continue talking about irregular past tense verbs. What is an irregular verb? Most regular verbs add ed when they go from present tense to past tense. For example, in the present tense, I jump becomes I jumped in the past tense. She talks in the present tense becomes she talked in the past tense. But those are regular verbs. Irregular verbs are confused verbs. When an irregular verb changes to the past tense, we don't just add an ed to the end, the whole word changes. So run turns into ran. Tells turns into told. Sees turns into saw. All right, let's look at this side. The words in green are present tense. That means they're happening right now. The sentences beside them use the past tense of each verb. So spend turns into spent. So I spent too much money. Take turns into took. She took her backpack. In each box below, type the sentence, but with the past tense of each underlined irregular verb. So right now our sentence says, my mom feels sad for her friend. And we need to change feels to the past tense. So we would type here. My mom, and feels turns into felt sad for her friend. The next one says, the children swim in the sea. Well, I know that swim in the past tense turns into swam. So we say, the children swam in the sea. Oops, there we go. Avery tells funny stories. Well, I know tells in the past turns into told. So Avery told funny stories. These are just some examples of irregular past tense verbs. Remember, we don't just add ed to irregular verbs. We have to change the whole word. So feels is not feeled, it's felt. Swim is not swimmed, it's swam. And tells is not telled, it's told. So today you guys are going to do some practice making some verbs into irregular past tense verbs.